from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we're checking out this 2019 BMW M240i. With only 10,500 miles, this BMW was just traded into us, sporting the wonderful blue metallic paint over black accents, including a black kidney grille, black rims, and a black interior. The M240 kind of slots between your older M1s and then also the M2s that have come out. A great platform. This one happens to be xDrive, all-wheel drive. Perfect for year-round driving and also track days. Classic M style brakes, M wheels, body kit. Stepping inside, you'll see the all black interior in near perfect condition. We haven't found any blemishes at all in the leather, and with 10,000 miles we didn't expect to either. Sporting the aluminum hexagon trim, the blue inlay, great audio system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, room in the back for kids. This one is an automatic with manual shift modes as well. M-style exhaust sounds wonderful. Checking out the trunk. Clean, fresh set of floor mats. And a cargo net in there as well that hasn't even been touched. I'll check under the hood real quick. This thing is in fantastic condition. No previous paint work, only one previous owner. Incredibly well maintained. All the service has been up to date. Here's your BMW M Performance engine. Black kidney grille. BMW LED headlights. Just as it was on the passenger side, the driver's side is equally in fantastic condition. One little mark right there on the Centec. Steering wheel's in great condition. This one does have lane departure warning and some other nice features. 10,577 miles. Rear view camera. Navigation. Bluetooth, and all of the rest of the media features you'd expect in a BMW of this age. Heated front seats. Dual zone automatic climate control. Automatic headlights. Wipers. And all the convenience features you'd ever need in a sports car. Stepping back outside. This is one of those rare finds. It'll definitely go quick. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a 2019 BMW M240i xDrive, feel free, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web, alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms and talk to a sales associate today. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.